everyone, welcome to Khou Today we'll be drawing Hello Kitty. To start off, we'll be drawing the eyes by drawing an oval shape here and another one here. Good job! Now let's fill up her eyes. Then we'll draw her nose. Start by drawing an oval shape from here to here. That's it. Now we have her eyes and her nose. Next, we'll be drawing her face by placing a dot here, here, and here, and the last one here. Now, we'll just have to connect all the dots. Take your time to do it, everyone. And now, for the last line. All done, we are starting to see our character. Next up, we'll draw her hair bow. Start off by drawing a circle here. Then, draw from the top right tip in an oval-like shape to the lower down side. We'll draw the same thing but in a smaller size on each side. And this time we'll be drawing her ears. Place the dot here and here. And we'll just have to connect the dots. Now we have to do the same on the right side. Complete her face by drawing the line. Nice work, everyone! Moving on, we'll be drawing her body. Start by drawing a curvy line from down to up on the left side. And this side too. Now connect the body to the pattern we just drew. Next off onto her arm, starting from here. On the other side as well. Well done! For her legs, we'll start off with curved lines on both sides. Then we'll draw a line here. And then connect the legs with curvy lines. We're almost there. Last off, we'll be giving patterns to her dress by drawing a curvy line. Finishing up by drawing circles in different sizes. And that's it, everyone. I'll see you in the next episode.